In this video, I'll show you how to connect your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro to the dedicated app on your iPhone. Now, the app is called Hey Melody, and in a separate video, I've showed you how to install that. So once you install it, you should see it right here. And before you can actually connect your buds to this app, you first need to connect your earbuds via Bluetooth through the settings. So when you go into settings and simply tap on Bluetooth, as you can see, mine are already connected. And if you don't know how to connect this, I've made a separate video on how to do that, and I'll link it down below. And once you set that up, you can come to this video, and now you can go on and find the Hey Melody app, tap on it. And then if it's your first time using it, it's going to ask you to agree and continue with the statement of use. So tap on agree and continue. And then allow Hey Melody to find Bluetooth devices, tap on allow. And then now you need to tap on add. So if it doesn't detect automatically, you can simply tap on the plus button and it's going to scan for devices that are available. And once you put these buds in pairing mode once again, they're going to be detected here. And once you select them, they're now going to be connected to the app like so. That's basically how to connect your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro to the dedicated app called Hey Melody on your iPhone. Now you can go ahead and tap on this, and now you have way more options to customize, way more settings to go through on this app. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.